Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to set field character limits in printing. Let's first preview the bill. In the preview, you can see that the party name, as well as the rate and amount columns, the characters are not printed properly. To fix this, go to the menu and under Configuration, open Sale Multiple Printing Configuration. Select the required series and, under Print Options, click on Print Columns to view the list of available columns. Here, you can define the character length for each field. Wrap the item name column and reduce its character limit. To set the limit, simply press the space key and enter the desired number of characters. Save the changes and move to the header section. Open the Insert Shapes format, then in the header, click on the field for which the character length needs to be modified. Right-click and select Insert Field or Text. Search for the field name in the list. Here you can define the required character length. Save the changes. Once done, save the configuration settings and go back to the Sale Bill window. Open the bill and click on Preview to check the result. As you can see, the party name along with the grid columns are now printed properly. Next, to set the same in the designer printing format, go to the menu bar. From Continuous Printing, open Sales Bill Print Designer and Printing window. Choose the required configuration and sales bill from the search list. Press Refresh and open Design window. First, let's preview the bill format. As you can see, the party details are not printed correctly. So, we need to set the character limit. To do so, click on the field, then right-click to open Field Properties. Click on Text and define the field length. Then click on Format. Repeat the same process for the other fields as well. To set the character length in the grid column, open the Edit Bound table and then click on Settings. Select the column. Go to Column Properties and under Properties, click on Column Expression. The Column Properties window will appear, similar to what we saw earlier. Simply define the character limit and click on Format. Once done, exit the Bound table and save the changes. Finally, click on Preview to see the result. As you can now see, the characters are properly printed in the print format.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.